Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today is a bisque day, so we're gonna open. Hello. We're gonna open kiln. Okay. So I made this plate for. Actually, it's for. If you could read it, it's for. My mom had a bone marrow transplant, and I made it. I'm gonna paint something over it, and I made it for the hospital where she went to. They did a great job. They deserve it. Okay. That Kochi made flowers. Are you wondering what this is? What is it?
Ice cream?
No.
No.
The cat broke her mushroom in the garden, so she's making a new one. Okay. That's a spoon rest that Kochi made. Nice. Very nice. This, I'm making keychains. You see that? I made 80 keychains for the crew, for the staff in my mom's hospital as a gift for them. That's not 80, I have more. Okay, that Kochi made. That too. This actually broke, as you can see. And I hope it's gonna last because I put vinegar and more clay so it will stick, and it actually worked because it broke completely. So we'll see how long it's gonna last. Okay, I made it.
Very nice. Vase.
Vase. Somebody actually asked me to do something, and it's pretty heavy. I think it's too heavy, but it's nice. I think I prefer this one. That Gil made, of course, as you can see, how thin this is. He's good. That's my little tiny elephant. Nice, eh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, there is more. I'm gonna have to paint them all and then put a thread with beads that I made already. You see? Oh, that's cute. That's one of my students made. It's beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. Kochi made it. It's a caterpillar. Beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
She made once before. She liked it, so she made another one. That also Kochi made. I made it. I'm not sure exactly what that is. I don't know. I was thinking about maybe a frog, but maybe I should have put like legs in front. And what do we have here? Oh, that's, I made this flower.
Nice.
Nice, yeah. This one of my students made. Yehi shalom bechilcha shalva be'armonotecha. Something from the Bible, I don't know. זה מתניה הכין. I have a student, he made it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's nice. And also my student made this I made, and this one too. It's the sun, flower, sun, whatever. And this.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, that's it for today. See you next video. It was a pleasure. Bye.